What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking another look at the watch brand Paul Rich. They got a new collection out and I got my hands on one of the pieces to give you a closer look. Now the new collection they got out is the Element collection, which they say is inspired by the four elements: water, light, air, and ground. So they have a watch for each of these elements that they feel reflects that element through different design options. The one that I'll be looking at up close though with you guys here today is the Ultra Black Blizzard, which is a watch that they say actually was designed to incorporate all the elements inside one design. So it's a combination of the entire project all in one watch. The brand also tells me that inside the timepiece here is the usual Miyota automatic movement that they use in their other watches, but they did use some new materials in the face to make the dial stand out more inside the 45mm steel housing. They also say it's waterproof to 5 ATM. Here now is another close-up of the front of the watch. You can see it's got some really sharp details there, nice deep color, clean lines. I think it's just got this nice luxury car type feel to it. As far as the design goes, I mean, I'm strictly speaking about looks here. The same goes for the back actually as well. It looks great. I think it's just overall a very nicely designed watch, which is one of the things that I like about Paul Rich and why I continue to showcase them and talk about them here on the channel. On the wrist now, this one feels very comfortable. It's got a nice weight to it. It's not light and cheap feeling, or even on the other end of the spectrum, overly heavy. And I do like the size. It's a 45mm watch. I'm a big fan of bigger watches and watch faces to an extent. I mean, I have had some that are like 2 times the size of this, and there's definitely a limit there, but this one is a great size, and with the design of the watch, the silver and the black, I think it just looks and feels really good on the wrist. And again, with that design, the colors, everything, it's a pair it with anything timepiece. I mean, you can wear it easily with a casual t-shirt, aka my everyday uniform. Here's what I wear every day, or like a jacket, hoodie, suit jacket if you wanted to. I mean, really whatever you want to pair this with. I think it's one of those color schemes and designs and styles overall that just goes with about everything. I mean, in my opinion, I think it just goes with everything. Overall here now, this one here, it just checks the boxes for me. It just checks all the boxes. I didn't see anything really that stood out to me as a problem or a red flag. I mean, it looks good, it feels great, and overall it's just a watch that I've enjoyed looking at. And while I'm not a watch expert or a watch fanatic, I'm actually just someone who values a watch based on how it looks and feels, and in that regard, this one checked all the boxes, and that's why it gets the stamp of approval with me. And if you want to check this out or any of the other watches from the Elements collection, I am told that they're out now, so you can find them at the Paul Rich shop. The link will be in the description as usual, but before you run over there and check those out, do the usual for me: like, comment, subscribe, all that important stuff. Thank you so much in advance for doing that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.